The Mini 1-2 from 2006 to 2012 is primarily equipped with a manual transmission. It requires a specific procedure to safely engage reverse gear, which helps prevent accidents and ensures smooth operation. The Mini 1-2 features a reverse lock collar on the gear shifter. This is typically a ring or button near the base of the shifter. You must lift or pull this collar upward to unlock the reverse gear position. Don't force the shifter, use the collar. While holding the reverse lock collar up, move the shifter to the left out of the neutral gate and then push it forward or upward into the reverse position. Once fully engaged, release the collar slowly. Before releasing the clutch, visually check your mirrors, blind spots, and surrounding areas for pedestrians or obstacles. Slowly release the clutch and gently accelerate in reverse. Awareness is key to preventing accidents. Never attempt to engage reverse gear while the vehicle is moving forward. This can cause severe stress and damage to the transmission. Listen for any grinding noises which indicate improper clutch engagement. Key takeaway: preventative measures save costly repairs. A common mistake when engaging reverse gear is trying to force the shifter into position without first lifting the reverse lock collar. This can cause resistance in the shifter mechanism or even get the gears stuck, potentially requiring manual intervention to free them. Another frequent error is not fully depressing the clutch pedal before attempting to shift. This leads to gear grinding as the synchronizers struggle to mesh the gears properly, causing unnecessary wear on the transmission components. To avoid these issues, remember the key takeaway. Always avoid using force when shifting, and make sure the clutch is fully engaged before moving the shifter. The Mini 1-2 lacks modern reversing aids like built-in backup cameras or parking sensors. Consider aftermarket retrofits like backup cameras and parking sensors for increased safety. These retrofits can significantly reduce reversing accidents, especially in urban environments. Key takeaway: tech upgrades enhance safety in older models.